Can you speak English? If somebody asks you, someone can you speak English? No, beginners say, yes, I speak. That's totally wrong. Natural answer, yes, I can speak a little English. I am still learning. English like I'm still learning. Even me, can you speak English? I cannot speak English fluently, but I can speak a little English. I'm still learning. Really English. So be honest and natural. Native speakers love this answer. جوابته native speakers ويجعلي عند الوقت بصراحة كلا بدنا أساس أيضا like can you speak English? Yes, I can speak a little English. I am still learning. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zakariye and today we have a very important lesson. We are going to learn 10 natural questions and answers. This lesson is very useful in real life, okay? So don't worry, I will explain you everything clearly and perfectly and properly, okay? Don't worry. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot, okay? I'm bilowna marka cashirka waxaan baranaa ku dhahay 10 natural questions and answers. 10 su'aalood iyo jawaab oo natural leh, okay? Or natural, very important. So and thank you. What? How are you? How are you? If a person asks you how are you, most of the learners or some students say fine or good. Like in short answers, natural answer. Let me teach you. I am doing well. I thank you. And how about you? Ask. Always ask back. Mar waliba qofka weydiyo qof adoo ku dhaw how are you instead of fine or good. Short answer inta bixin lahayd qofka jawaab u celi. So that is natural conversation. Conversation natural. How are you? Say I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you? Okay, short answers. Okay, question 2. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do for living? Okay, like someone say I'm a student. I am a student. Correction here natural answer. I am a student. Add student. I study English every day. So if you are a student, then mention what you study. Always use a. So you always use a استعمال before jobs and rules. jobs rules تصالو كلا حدا شقيس أو كلا I am a teacher عليه. I am teacher doesn't becomes wrong. So I am a teacher. Student rules can say I am a student. Never forget to add eras or كهرس student تيجي وحول بعد سمين rules كي jobs كلا استعمالها. Okay, next وحاسنا where are you from? Yes, this is تنوع سؤال common. Where are you from? قفل بمركو سبيا وكيدنا where are you from? So someone say or some beginner says like I'm from Somalia. That is wrong. Totally natural answer. Natural answer. I'm from Somalia. Somalia, but I'm living in Kenya. Because I live in Kenya. So you can see, when I'm from Somalia. So instead I'm from Somalia, short answers add Mesha Somalia. I'm from Somalia, but especially I live in Mogadishu, I live in Hargeisa, I live wherever Somalia. Never forget the verb am فعلك am. marka hadda oo kale I from hadin. Never forget. I take is am. I wixii am. That's why I am. Marka inta note kan yar waxaan ku leeyahay never forget the verb am. Am ha ilowin. Verbka am verb to be ga am then so I from is wrong. Question 4. How old are you? This is very important. Many beginners jawaabtan hooyar lamaha. Okay, beginners say I have 16 years. So local that is totally wrong. That's why natural answer I am 16 years old. I am 20 years old. Whatever so in English we say I am, not I have. For age in English I am adana. I am not I have for age is I am 12 years whatever as I am question 5 what time is it? Somebody asks you وقتي وكوادي. So beginners say it is 8. That's okay, natural answer it is 8 o'clock or it is half past. Always add o'clock. Mar walba waxa ku darta o'clock or the correct time expression ka saxda waqti saxda ama ku dar o'clock ku dar yani waxaad dhigi kartaa 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock qofka ku weydiinaa waa 3 saacadood 9 o'clock just intaas okay and next waxaa sana 6 can you speak English if somebody asks you someone wuxuu ku weydiinaa can you speak English no beginners say yes I speak that's totally wrong natural answer yes I can speak a little English I am still learning English aan ku hadli karaa laakiin I'm still learning even me adu qof iyo can you speak English no I cannot speak English fluently but I can speak a little English I'm still learning wali English ko so maxaa dhacay marka be honest and natural native speakers love this answer يعني jawaabta native speakers way jecel yihiin dadku luqadda tusaale kala badan asas ayaan like can you speak English yes I can speak a little English I am still learning question 7 what are you doing maxaa sameynaysaa beginners say maxay like I study that's wrong natural answer I am studying English right now hadda waxaan baranayaa English because hadda wax baranaysaa ama qofku wuxuu yani this person asks you what you are currently doing right now markaas iyada maxaa sameynaysaa so this this question is present continuous use is or verb so loo kala haduu xitaa what is he doing oo kala qof he is doing he is studying English so saas amal loo jeeyaa istaanta saas ay kiimaatay question 8 did you eat wax ma cuntay beginners say like yes I eat that's wrong natural answer yes qofku maxmu cuntu ku leeyahay so yes I already ate goor hore ayaan cunay thank you for asking oo kuma santa weydiinta ay weydiisay wax cunay this is simple past tan waa simple past so never say I ate in for the past waxa dheena I ate video hore oo soo hadlay oo the one past everything about simple past tense okay if you miss that video you can watch maxaa soo daawan kartaa video kan ka dambeeya okay waxa aysan where are you when like where are you going yes where are you going halkee u socotaa some learners say marsu ashan la weydiiyo I go to school where are you going qofku wuxuu ku weydiinaa markaas intee u socotaa hadda amal natural answer I'm going to school right now I go to school waa dhigi kartaa laakiin tana very natural oo sifan I'm going to school right now use I am going not I go when the action is happening now markay dhacda markaas dhacayso waxa lagu leeyahay waxa isticmaashaa like waxa isticmaalaysaa I'm going not I go markaas isku socotaa Soomaaliya yes and then waxa aysan what is your name magaca some learners say my name is Zakariye okay full marka waxa bixisa jumlad jawaab oo complete give a complete answer like my name is Zakariye nice to meet you so kulanti wacan never forget is alone and always add nice to meet you so kale ku dar qof kulanti wacan inaad dhado oo kale taasna sidoo kale waa ku dari kartaa so that's for today's lesson. Today we learned 10 natural questions and answers. We learned how to answer how are you the natural way. We learned how to talk about our job, our role, our job, our country and our age. So correctly. Remember always say like I am not I have for age. Marka age kale always say I am like I am istimal yani I am the eedan isticmaal for jobs iyo rules oo kale hore kugu sheegay now it is your turn marka write one sentence like one answer xitaa one jawab to any question from today in the comments below I will read each comment okay comment will be feeling dona if this lesson helped you please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. That's for today's lesson. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.